Honorable teachers, esteemed members of society and dear students. Today, we are celebrating a great day. On 15th August 1947, our country gained freedom from British rule. On this day, India became independent and emerged as a sovereign nation in the world. On this auspicious occasion, we remember the sacrifices of our nation's heroes, great freedom fighters, and all Indians. The struggle for independence in India's history was long and full of challenges. From the First War of Independence in 1857 to Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent movement, many people from marginalized communities and some prominent leaders contributed to this fight for freedom. Notably, the Dandi March, Quit India movement, and civil disobedience movement inspired the Indian people to recognize the power of unity and truth. Today, India is completing 77 years of independence. In these 77 years, India has made remarkable progress in economic, social, scientific, and industrial fields. India has been a global leader in space exploration, nuclear power, IT industry, agriculture, and healthcare services. Our nation, full of unlimited potential, has earned international recognition in many areas. However, the challenge of becoming a global leader is still ahead. We must continue on the path of development. We need to bring improvements in education and healthcare services and work towards achieving equality in these areas. Additionally, we need to strengthen the levels of governance and transparency. Similarly, we must also be concerned about the conservation of our environment. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, all of us Indians should pledge to contribute to the progress of our country. Guided by our motto, Satyamev Jayate, let us advance humanity, compassion, and equality, and create a unique identity in the world. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you.